The Water Cycle by Rebecca and Savannah. Okay, I have to start over.
In this video, we will describe the water cycle and the three main parts.
Precipitation. The action or process of precipitating a substance from a solution. Precipitation can be rain, sleet, snow, and hail.
After precipitation is evaporation. Evaporation is a type of vaporization that occurs on the surface of a liquid into a gas due to the temperature and pressure.
The next step is condensation. Condensation is the conversion of a vapor or gas to a liquid. It forms clouds that produce water. Now we will sing a song about the water cycle to help you remember the three different parts. Precipitation, evaporation, condensation on my mind. It is part of the water cycle and it's happening all the time.
So, what have we learned? We learned about precipitation, evaporation, and condensation.
The end.